FloatMe and Earnin both let eligible users access money before payday. But the true cost depends on every fee attached to the advance, not just whether the app advertises itself as low cost. By the end, you'll know how FloatMe and Earnin compare, what charges actually affect the total cost, and how to decide which one is cheaper for your situation. Earnin gives eligible users access to earned wages before payday. FloatMe offers small cash advances for eligible members through its own platform. Neither app should be judged by the advance alone, because the total cost comes from everything connected to using the service. Start by looking at the membership requirements. If an app requires an ongoing subscription, include that cost when comparing advances. A cash advance is never truly free if you must pay every month to access it. Next, check whether there are optional charges for getting your money faster. Many users choose instant transfers because they need cash immediately. Those optional fees can make one advance cost more than expected. Repayment also matters. Both apps generally collect repayment automatically according to their terms. Before accepting an advance, make sure you know exactly when the money will be withdrawn from your account, so you can avoid unexpected cash flow problems. The cheapest option depends on how you use the app. If you only need an occasional advance, one pricing model may cost less. If you borrow regularly, recurring membership costs can become a bigger part of the total amount you pay over time. Another detail to compare is eligibility. If one app approves you but the other does not, the comparison ends there. The lower cost app is only useful if you qualify to use it. Before requesting an advance, read the pricing page inside each app. Check the membership cost, any optional instant funding charge, and the repayment schedule. Those three details give you the clearest picture of the real cost. The key takeaway is simple. Neither FloatMe nor Earnin is automatically the cheaper choice for everyone. The true cost depends on the membership model, any optional transfer fees, and how often you use the service. Your next step is to calculate the total amount you would actually pay for one advance, instead of comparing the apps by marketing claims alone. If this comparison helped you make a smarter financial decision, like the video and subscribe for more straightforward app comparisons.